Kids, welcome to eSchool. Welcome to our e-class. Today's lesson is F. Capital F, small f. F for fish. F for fish. F for fish. F for flower. F for flower. F for flower. F for fairy. F for fairy. F for fairy. F for fish. F for flower. F for fairy. Learn how to write F. Capital F, small f. Draw 4 lines. Capital F. Small f.